So now all the shooting is done, and we had all these different sequences in different conditions, sometimes a bit extreme, but that's part of shooting on the mountain. And now we're gonna go to the editing part on Adobe Premiere Pro, and we're gonna do all the steps of editing, which is interesting, like the right copying, editing, and then doing all the color grading, effects, everything that you need to do to have a great video that we will then export in the different formats for different players. And here we are. We just filmed scenes of action, life and interview. We have everything we need to edit the video. Editors may look cool, but they're really square people. You have to be very organized to manage big volumes of files. I organize my hard drive by project, and in each folder I use the same structure, separating the elements by type: brushes, projects, exports, graphics, sounds, or photo. I copy the contents of my cards into subfolders according to the date and the filmer. If they are photo, I put them in a separate folder. I could also do the ingest through Premiere Pro, but I like to do it myself. I edit on a fast hard drive that can read files with high bitrates, like those shot in 8K or 4K 120. I also copy my media on 2 other slower hard drives just to be safe. My project file is in local, but I duplicate it in the cloud because it's only a few megs in size. So if my hard drive crashes, it doesn't matter because everything is copied elsewhere. I guess I'm square and paranoid. But images are precious and editing is time-consuming, so I want to make sure I don't lose anything.